If you're looking for dogs beds by Friends Forever, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets Lover Channel presents Dogs Beds by Friends Forever. Number 1, by Friends Forever. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Friends Forever. Number 3. For more details about these dogs beds products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Friends Forever. Find these dogs beds by Friends Forever at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by JLA Pet. Number 9, by Pet by Bella Label. Discover more dogs beds by Friends Forever ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Can Pet Products.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.